You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about e.l.f. and my thoughts and opinions on the products that I purchased. I did a little bit of an e.l.f. haul, and I am pretty impressed by some of these eyeshadows that I want to get right into it. So they are calling these bite-sized eyeshadows. This one is in the shade Truffle, and they are really pigmented. I'm surprised, you guys. This is the first one that I purchased, and they are really nice. They are pigmented, they go on well, and you can build them. I'm surprised how good the quality is. So that one is Truffle, and as you can see, there's a really nice dark color there that you can use as an eyeliner. There is a mid-tone brown, a lighter brown for your transition, and then a really pretty shimmer shadow that I like to put on with my finger just in the middle of my lid. This is my favorite out of all three. The second eyeshadow is called Cream and Sugar, and it's so pretty. This is what it looks like. And really beautiful colors. There's that lighter all over lid color on the end, and then there's a gorgeous champagne gold color, a darker gold, and then a dark brown. The last bite-sized eyeshadow is called Rose Water, and it's absolutely beautiful. It has two shimmering rose or mauve colored shades, and then a light, almost like a lilac matte paler shade, and then a really dark, almost like a burgundy, really dark with a little bit larger flecks of shimmer in it. I just think for the price, why not? I mean, they have a good enough pigment, and they're so easy to just put in your purse. Kind of like a no-brainer. I got the 16-hour Camo Concealer, and this is really great. This has such good coverage. I was surprised because not every e.l.f. product that I try I am totally in love with, and a lot of times, you know, I just don't think the coverage is there. I tried some of their foundations and really was not impressed whatsoever. But the wear of this is pretty amazing. So definitely check that one out. The other thing that I did get, this is the Hydrating Face Primer. I am not so sure for me that it was hydrating. When you put this on, it really just kind of feels like a typical pore filling primer. You get that like feel of silicone. It didn't feel like it was hydrating for me, and so I probably won't get much use out of it or use it again, but you know, you guys may have a different opinion of it. For me, I didn't feel as though it was hydrating. I also picked up their beauty blender, the e.l.f. Beauty Blender. I also picked up the lip plumping gloss that's in the shade Pink Cosmo, and this is really pretty. It tingles slightly, and you know, it's just a really pretty sheer gloss. I have this on right now, and I really like the doe foot applicator. And yeah, it's just a really pretty gloss. I don't know if you can see that, but I really like this product. The other thing that I did purchase was their powder compact, and I do really like this a lot. It does not go into my fine lines and wrinkles. It does not dry out my skin. I really thought it gave like more of like a high def type of look to the skin. So that I really did like. The other product that I got was the Cream Contour. I've used this and I really do like it. And I think that the yellow shade is really nice under my eyes. It really looks natural and not cakey, and it really does cover. I love that. And I've been using this shade here to, right after I put my foundation on, I will just drag a line of it on each side to contour my cheekbones, and then I will put a couple of dots of it right across here to kind of warm up my face because I'm pale, and then I do use it to contour my jawline right around here, and kind of going into a V down my neck to kind of just, you know, contour and sharpen my neckline. So I do love that. I feel like it looks so much more natural than a powder bronzer or contour. The other thing that I did pick up is, this is the No Budge Shadow Stick in Champagne Crystal. This I really am not too impressed with. It looks like this. When I tried it, I put it on my eyelids and I swore it wasn't even doing anything. I even rubbed it on my hand to make sure there wasn't like a film over it preventing the color payoff. It's just okay. I would not repurchase this, just my opinion. It is creamy, kind of goes on. It did, I noticed, leave a fleck of gold, which at my age, I'm not, probably not at any age, I really didn't, you know, like having a chunk of gold. So I'm sure, you know, if I played with it, I might get it to, you know, show up a little bit better. The other thing that I got that I was really surprised with is this mascara. This is a lengthening and volume mascara, and it has one of those rubberized brushes with short bristles, and I have that on today. And I did feel that it really did a good job of lengthening and building volume in my lashes. So this is a great find. And then the other thing that I got is the Putty Eye Primer, and I, guys, I did not like this product. I will not be buying this again. I put it on my eye. I didn't feel that it did any better of a job as a eyeshadow primer than my concealer. In fact, it really made my eyeshadow patchy, and it made it hard to blend. I, you know, don't know if I just did something wrong. I don't put moisturizer on my eyelids or anything like that. So I just put it on my eyelid bare and, you know, waited a little while and then applied my eyeshadow. And this is just one e.l.f. product, you guys, that I just, you know, not real a big fan of. So yeah, that's it for my e.l.f. review and honest opinion. They are affordable products, so it is great when you do find things like the eyeshadows that work out well. Why not? I mean, I personally love to have drugstore items that work well, and I'm the first person to, you know, if I find something that's affordable and it's a drugstore item, I'm the first person that will want to incorporate it into my makeup routine. So, you know, there's always hits and misses in every brand, even the prestige brands. There are things that are, you know, very expensive, and you get them home and you're like, what was all the hype about? This, you know, product doesn't perform like it was supposed to. So anyway, that's my honest review, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you would stick around a while and subscribe to my channel. If you hit the notification bell down below, you will not miss a single video that I put out. And that's it. I hope to see you in the next one, guys. Thanks, and take care.